Hey guys, David Peterson, AustralianUnwrapped.com. I'm just doing a new article on great days out in Canberra, and I wanted to give you the opportunity to see how to embed Google Maps onto your website. First of all, open up Google Maps. Then get the location that you would like to go to. Click search. You can put the address as well, guys. In this case, I'm happy with that. Click share. Click embed a map. Click copy HTML. Go back onto your page. Click return. Paste. If you'd like, you can preview it there, or you can preview it via the WordPress option. So there you have it, guys. One embedded map that you can actually interact with. The users can. Looks very professional and adds value for your users to your website. Alright guys, thanks for checking this out. Enjoy Australia Unwrapped. Also, if you need any free images, check out publicdomainphotography.com. Look forward to seeing you around. David Peterson out.